Hey guys, today we got some shopkins and zsums back, and I'm gonna ask you a moment, viewers. Have you opened? I have a funny joke for you. Have you opened zsum before? It's a funny joke. Okay, let's get started on the open. Now I'm gonna open these. Box. Wait a moment, viewers. I have to get scissors. Why is my scissors not working? Dumb scissors. Yes. Let's take out our first. Okay, let's take a look at. There we go. Now we got a zsum.
Sebastian.
His name is Sebastian, and he's my dear friend of Ariel. Let's take out the next one. This one's really hard to get. Oh. Okay, we have got. We got Pinocchio, and he's members of the newest. And now let's take the teeny tiny. Now, Mama, you want to put a second of a little genie. That's a little genie. So, I'm gonna tell you something, viewers. Here, how you stack them. It's a little stacking challenge. You have to just try to stack. Okay, now they're all stacked. The question is, how do the Okay, I'm just gonna put these glasses on and tell you a funny joke. Okay, where does the mouse go when it didn't find its cheese? Because it doesn't have more cheese. Get it? Okay. Now let's go to the mystery. Okay, let's go to all the favors I've been talking. Now we have a question. Do you know that Sebastian was a dear friend of Ariel? Did you know that this guy discovered to offend your genie found a lantern, and then there's nothing to do on Halloween? Now let's do the shopkins. Question number 1. Did you know that Ariel discovered a true meaning of her dad? Chris. Question 2. Who remembers what happened to Trolls Movie 2? Trolls 2 World Tour that there was a country song in the world, and then who came in the world pop? Queen Barb is my favorite. Okay, question number 3. How many of you opened zsums and then they forgot? Question number 2. How about if you were not a viewer, how are you are not going to be a viewer anymore? before? Have you never had a teeny little genie before? Write down in the comments below. Okay. All of it. Because before we open, I'm going to tell you all the questions. Question number 1. How did Ariel discover a true meaning of rewards? Question number 2. And where did My Little Pony sing it about the band? Where? Question number 3. Where did 1900 discover Bubble Town and then they never know? Question number 4. Why did 1900 discover Genie in the world? Have you never had a Genie before? Okay, let's get to the over business. I'm really tired now. Okay, now. Okay, guys, wait. Before we open it, now we have to see what we got. We got the medium size, the large one, and the tiny one. Now let's get to the over business. Here is the end. This way. This one. Yep. The cracking. Crack. Jack come over, Jack come over, Jack be quick. Now let's open the box. And let's take off the box back. Come on. Oh, the big chocolate bar, guys. The big chocolate bar. There's like a lot of surprises. And what is scissors? Can we get the scissors? Before we got, this cheesy bites. Mamma ekki hjálpa. Pie. I hope I get some diving. Love diving in. Now, the question is, I can't do that. Unicorn, why did you let me down? Power for unicorn. Unicorn again! Stop pranking me, unicorn. Come on, unicorn, don't let me down. Power for unicorn. Power for unicorn. Why did power? A green one? Seriously? Oh my God, this is not going well. That is so sweet. My Jón Tryggvason ljósmyndari tók allar myndirnar sem Fríða Gísladiskin og Vilhjálmur hannaði umslag. I don't want to let you down. Please forgive me, my screen. Fyrsta lagið á plötunni Seljan heitir Vissi. Þetta lag fjallar löngunina til að fylgja hjartanu og það erfitt að vera langt í burtu frá þeim sem maður elskar. Þetta yngsta lagið á plötunni og hann sang í ágúst í fyrra.
I was just wondering.
I was just wondering if you could help. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Now I need a scissors. Okay. As I said, my name is Lish. Just please forgive me yesterday. I was in the house. Oh, but I did not have friends. It is really hello. Yeah. I'm so nervous. Ah! Terrified! I'm okay. I'm so sorry, but that was terrible. So what? What if I I found the twins. Terrified. Sorry about my terrified acting. Some shopkins and okay, I'm gonna put them over here. So I'm gonna put the cold one here. And the one with the cold ones behind Sebastian. Sebastian is a little terrified. And a husky. And then we got the green slushy. The slushy can go right behind Sebastian. Now, and then which one of this? Oh, we got the pie. Here's the pie. I'm gonna put the pie behind Sebastian too, because I don't want the cold ones. This is cold pie. It is still behind Sebastian. Let's be Sebastian. Okay. Clip hair. Sorry about that, but you have to be clipped. Where are your hair? I need clip all your plastic hair. Clip. I'm sorry about that. And then I have to clip your get through bottom. I want I want the shotgun to fall because I don't the rest the wing. I'm gonna clip the head. How I go? Oh, she's almost free. Oh, she's free. Now I have to put her behind Sebastian. Nope. They're all empty. Well, guys, I want to say something, but I want to tell you that the Sebastian is the winner. Well, we can put some. Okay, let's see how. Sebastian stacked. Genius stacked. Come on, you can win it. We have to win it, Sebastian. You can do this, Sebastian. Stack on. Okay, I'm gonna put the shotgun, Sebastian. There we go. There we go, and ta-da! This is my life, and this is my life story. So this is kind of. But now I want to tell you, thanks for watching my Fortnite channel. I hope you guys enjoy myself. Please remember to subscribe and have on notifications, guys. Bye.